I'm Gilbert Michael Daigneault, and I'm a farmer. You're looking at a green grass pasture. Previously, we've done a blog and an article about grass, and all plant material on planet Earth absorbs carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and releases oxygen, which is essential for our existence. Today, we're going to specifically talk about how grass grows. When grass is young, it's very supple and digestible, full of nutrients and easy to graze. But as it grows, it has a structural carbohydrate called lignin, L-I-G-N-I-N, that gives it more support. But lignin is a structural carbohydrate which is not digestible. So just to give you an example, the taller a skyscraper is built, the more structural steel it needs to hold it up. Well, grass is the same way. Lignin is a support for the grass. So that makes it very difficult. I'm going to take a pair of scissors and try and cut this. And you can see it's very difficult to cut. Well, it'd be the same thing for an animal like a cow or a bison or an elk or a deer that grazes it. It's hard to cut it. But you take this young grass, it's very easy to cut. So it would be very easy to graze if it was a grazing animal. And also when it's young, it has a higher density of nutrients in it. So there's been a lot of great research that's been done recently because grass is actually a carbon sink. It absorbs carbon and it puts it in the soil. And there's some great research that's been done in the soil profile and the root zone about things that live there that help grass become more healthy and encourage absorption of nutrients and make it more digestible for animals. So the buzzwords these days are sustainability, regenerative agriculture, rotational grazing. So ideally what you'd want to do if you're going to have pasture management is you're going to want to cut your grass with a bush hog or a mower, and then when it starts growing back, it's going to be young and succulent and more dense with nutrients. So please stay with us as we explain more things that affect us and the environment.